wheel his knuckles run white with desire. The wheels of his Mustang exploding on the highway like a slug from a 45. True death. 400 horsepower of maximum performance, piercing the night. This is Black Sunshine.
Good morning. Have you got your driver's license and medical card with you?
Yes, sir.
Well, I don't know if you saw the light red, but I know you didn't see me because I was sitting right there at the intersection.
I seen it was yellow. You gotta make a call whether to start stopping or go.
And as soon as it turns yellow, the correct decision is stop or attempt to stop.
Right, but if I jam on the brakes when this is fully loaded, that concrete will come out of the barrel.
Then you're driving faster than you can control the vehicle, right? Okay. And there's a sign around the curve that shows you there's a traffic light ahead.
Right, I'm familiar with Blitzfield.
Okay. You got the tractor registration here? Vehicle registration. You can put that back, that's good as gold. That's good. Give me a minute.
I'm an asshole, and I'm proud of it.